Honor Magic V6 unboxing, guys. Okay, so if you see here, I have the Honor Magic V6 512GB, 16GB RAM, and the color is red, guys. It's dual SIM. Okay, so let's go to the unboxing. We have our knife here. Let's get it gently opened. Okay, guys, official unboxing. Yeah, I'm very excited for this phone, guys. Okay, let's go. Okay, so we have our Honor here. It's a foldable, guys. Okay, you can see they already put what the device foldable with flexibility display. Please take note the following. So do not remove the interior screen protector. Okay, so the interior screen protector we should not remove. Do not press the interior screen with sharp objects, and do not press the interior screen's front camera area. Keep the phone away from devices that are sensitive to magnets. Okay, slight creases and sounds during folding and unfolding are normal. Keep the phone away from water and dust. Okay, even though this one has IP68 rating, but still we have to be very careful here, guys. Oh, look at this. Okay, this looks like gold, guys. So beautiful. So open. Okay, I just love the sound. Let's see how this is the beauty of unboxing, guys. Oh my god. Never mind, we can just pull it up. Okay, so this is the phone. Okay, right behind. Wow, look at the leather texture, guys. Can you all just hear that? So very thin phone, guys. Very thin. Just close and open once. Just look at the thickness of it. Very beautiful. Okay, and let's do the unboxing for the front part. It's so satisfying. Okay, and yeah, the front part, there's no screen protector. So far from what I see, there's no screen protector, so we have to go and put a screen protector. Okay, how about the inner part? The part also, I don't think so there's a screen protector. Okay, it's really luxurious feel, guys. Okay, let's see what else is in the phone, in the box. Let's put the phone aside. Okay, pull up the box. Okay, is there anything here? No, nothing. Okay, there's two more boxes inside. Let's bring it out. Okay, in the first box, okay, we have a charger and the USB cable. So the charger is 80 watts, guys. Okay, the charger is 80 watts. Okay, that's in the first box. Let's see what's in the second box. Okay, set box, there's a SIM ejector pin. Is it the other way? Okay, so what's here? Okay, we have some manuals here. Okay, and this is supposed to be nicely packed. Oh, it's a case, guys. Great. Wow, it's great to see a phone that gives a case nowadays. Okay, so Samsung and Apple, please take note, no charger, no case. Here we have a nice leather case, guys. Nice leather case. Okay, fitting just right to this. Just look at that. This is so luxurious. Okay, guys, please follow and subscribe. Okay, for my next video on setting up this foldable phone. Okay, thank you for your support, guys.